Hello, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be transforming this bed, and I have some surprises at the end of the video, so make sure to stay till the end of the video so that we can fully enjoy this experiment while giving you ideas on what to do about your old bed. So let's start this video. So first thing first, I usually start by disassembling the bed. As you can see, I don't usually show you these steps because I didn't find them necessary, but today I've just decided to give you more details on what usually goes on while I do these transformation videos. So this is usually an almost one full day job, and as I'm showing you on the screen, you can see the headboard was very short, and I'm going to be raising it into a standard height, and I'm going to be showing you all the steps as the videos goes by. Anyway, the first thing I usually do is disassemble the bed and then start doing some measurements. After the measurements, I know what to do. I know what I require to add or remove. So that is usually what I do. So now here I'm just preparing the headboard. As you can see, I'm removing some parts because I usually cut off some parts or remove some parts, add some parts, and I'm going to be showing you all that in this one video. So make sure that you have watched the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, processes, materials, tools, and everything that I've used during this process. So for this one, I'm starting by doing some adjustment. As you can see, I'm trying to raise the headboard at a certain height, and you can just raise the headboard to any height that you wish, because I don't think there is any limit for this one. I see other people usually raise them up to the ceiling, others want them short, others don't want even the headboard, they use box bed. So I mean, this is for those who want something like this, what I'm building here. So the first thing I usually do, not the first thing, so the other thing that I usually do is raise the headboard. As you can see, I'm trying to do some modification, of which I usually use transformation for these words. But now here, when we get into the details, I usually say modification because I'm modifying the headboard into something that I can work with, because my client decided to go with a certain design. I know you have seen the design in the thumbnail, but I'm now showing you how I did come up to that design. Anyway, I usually do a lot of cuttings, that is cutting the pieces of wood, as you can see, and I usually use a circular saw to do the cuttings, and I use a hammer and nails, normal nails. I use a blade, I use scissors, I also use contact glue, I use a plywood and fabric lining, and basically those are the basic things that I usually use during this process. So there is no excuse for you not to try something like this. And if you don't have the tools, or you think you can't do it on your own, kindly hit me up. I can do this for you. This is a one-day job, as I've told you earlier. So when I arrive at your home at around 9 a.m, rest assured that by 3 p.m. or 4 latest p.m, I'll be done with your bed, and you will be having a very modern and luxurious bed. So now the structure is coming along. As you can see, the structure is coming along very well, and now what I'm going to be doing is nailing down these 3 pieces of plywood onto the frame. As you can see, I'm just showing you what I'm going to be doing. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. I'm very much are happy with the continued support that you have been showing. So now this is just me illustrating on how I've raised the headboard. I've shown you where it was reaching me, and now the height, the current height. So you can see I've just already I've already raised the headboard, and I used contact glue to attach the foam onto the frame. So that is what I'm doing. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is designing the headboard into the design my client wanted. And I also did have to make the lower side of the bed. As you can see, I've already attached the foam on it. Now the remaining part that I'm going to be doing is doing the fabric part. Yeah, so the fabric part, if you want to know more details about doing these designs, kindly you can just comment down below, or rather you can go back to my channel, because I usually use or show or record or upload videos showing you on how to do different designs on these ones. But for this one, I was going to be doing a channel bed, and I'm going to be showing in a bit. So this is the channel bed my client wanted, and that was the design. As you can see, I've already done the design. What I'm remaining to do is to do the lower side, do the final touches, and let you enjoy the video. Don't forget that I have some surprises at the end of the video, and I'm going to be showing you everything as I do this transformation. Make sure to like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think, and share with your friends and family. Kindly like the video and share. I insist on that. And I'm saying kindly consider subscribing to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. See you in my next videos.